Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, back again, back with another video, or should I say short buffet too. Question to all the Orlando Pirates fans: would you take Kanyiso Mayo? Kanyiso Mayo, would you take him? Because the story is he's not been included in the team in Bulazadut. Oh shit. Yeah, the team yake Algeria bafethu. He's not in their plans. The coach there doesn't fancy him. I don't know bafethu nantini. Mina as a Pirates fan, I would take him 100%. He's not gonna cost much because abamfuni. So I'm assuming they're gonna terminate his contract. He's gonna be a free agent. Umthola mahala, give him the wages. You've got your player. Angazi nantini. Kanyiso Mayo to Pirates or not, I would take him personally. I would, because he's that good, Bafethu.